Let's talk about the Wellness Dual Sense Vibrator. Here we have the Dual Sense Vibrator itself. It's a wand vibrator. It can be used solo or with a couple as well, and it can be used by beginners, but we'd recommend this for more experienced users. This end can be actually used as a G-spot vibrator as it is slightly curved, or you can use the wand head just here for wonderful relaxing massages or stimulation of those intimate areas such as the clitoris, the nipples, or even external skin sensitive areas as well. It features a soft flexible head to find those sensitive areas and is made of a body safe silicone material for optimal comfort during use. The handle provides a very good grip and the buttons are just here as well. There are 10 settings in total and the motors can be operated independently of one another. The wand head itself features a very unique setting with skin sense that activates the vibrations by simply contacting your skin. To turn on, push and hold on the middle button. You'll feel a buzz and a purple light will come on. This indicates it's in standby mode. Now to activate one or the other, simply click on that button and the vibrations for the wand, just click here. For the wand you need to click on the top button, but as mentioned you can use them independently of one another. So to turn off, push and hold down. And for the wand head, as you can see, the skin comes into contact with the head. Click on that same button to adjust. As soon as you move away, the vibrations stop. To turn off everything, push and hold down for a few seconds on the north button. You'll feel a buzz and it will come to a complete standstill. It is rechargeable using your USB recharging cable provided. Simply attach it like so and it can be recharged. Also included is a QR code where you can scan for the manual if you have any questions or need help with your experience. Always use a water-based lubricant when using the wand vibrator for optimal comfort during use, and make sure to clean after every use using toy cleaner and lukewarm water, and you can dry it using a dry lint-free cloth. In addition, the DualSense is waterproof, so you can use it in the bath or shower alone or with your partner for more exciting sensations. For more information on the Wellness Dual Sense Vibrator, you can head over to the website. Thank you for watching and we'll see you again next time.